Fluency, which of the following best describes the answer to the given division problem? All right, so first let's do our division. Let's divide here. So we have 5 and 642 thousandths divided by 0 and 2 tenths. Now, if we have a decimal on the outside, we must make it a whole number, so we're going to put that in 1. Take this decimal, move it in 1, and then we'll be able to move that up. I'm going to move this over a little bit, and we're going to move this decimal up now. Now we can solve. So 2 can go into 5 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is going to be 1. Bring down that 6. 2 goes into 16 8 times. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract, we get 0. Am I done? Nope, gotta bring down that 4. 2 can go into 4 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract, are we done? Nope, gotta bring down this 2. It's the last one. 2 can go into 2 1 time. 2 times 2 times 1 is 2. Subtract, we get 0. Anything else to bring down? Nope. Anything, any remainders? Nope. So our answer is going to be 28 and 21 hundredths. Now, we need to figure out which of these is correct based on our answer, or our quotient. All right, so is the quotient less than 28 and 21 hundredths? It's not less than, it's equal to. So it's not going to be A, because it's not less than. The quotient is greater than 28 and 21 hundredths. Nope, it's not greater than, it's equal to. The quotient is equal to 28 and 21 hundredths. Yes, it is equal to. So we are going to put our circle around that C. And last but not least, just to double check, the quotient is greater than 2,821. No, it's not greater than that, and it's not 2,000. So our answer is going to be C, and that's going to be it for our fluency. Great job!